When we have provided a sitemap for the crawler, it is essential that our website's audience, the visitors who come to our website, have access to a sitemap so that they can navigate our website more effectively. And that is why we provide an HTML sitemap for our visitors. In today's video, we will discuss the sitemap.html. Assalamu alaikum. Hi viewers. I'm Asma. Welcome to my channel Organically Marketing. Till now, we have provided our crawler the sitemap.xml, and its main motive was that whenever the crawler comes to our website, it can crawl better. Then, when our audience comes to our website, and suppose our website is very big and they want to go to any page, then they shouldn't get confused. So, for this, we have provided sitemap.html, which makes the experience even better. Let's see an example of a sitemap.html. I will use the website of Shopify.com, which is a very famous website for online selling and buying. If you scroll down the page and see the footer of this website, here is the sitemap, and click on it. The sitemap of Shopify will open. You can see all the categories, pages, posts are here, and they are all linked. If you click any of them, you will land at the exact page which you click. Here it is a very good thing about a sitemap that you can not only link pages here, but also all the 3 or 4 posts that are available on that particular page, you can attach them to. If my website is related to food recipes, then I have 2 to 3 recipes attached to just only one page or in one category, then I can also attach them. Now a question comes here. Who should use the sitemap? See, this is the suggestion that if your website is very big and there is no fixed number like 100 or 200 pages, no. It means that it is so big that your audience can get confused while navigating the website. If you have multiple categories and in those categories there are also multiple pages, then you should create a sitemap.html so that they can easily find their desired pages. We will see practically how to add sitemap.html in a WordPress website, but if your website is in any coding, then instruct your developer to add a sitemap in this coding or to your website. Let's see how to generate a sitemap.html in a WordPress website. We will see this practically. Just go to your website's dashboard or WordPress dashboard, add new page. You can name it like navigation through the website, navigation page, or map to the website, or sitemap, as you want to do. I will create it with the name of sitemap. You can publish it or just save it as draft. And for creation, I will use the plugin In One SEO. Just edit the page, click on the blue button, and here you will find here write sitemap and AIO SEO's HTML sitemap. If you put the cursor, you can see the demo of the sitemap in your right side and click on it. Simply, this sitemap is created for you. All the pages, categories, posts are here. You can preview it like this. This is the interface. This is our sitemap created by the plugin In One SEO. If you publish it, publish, view, the page is same, sitemap is same, but a little bit difference is here that the URL is changed with the sitemap, our website name /sitemap, right? If you want to use another plugin, there is also another plugin with the name of Simple Sitemap. I will also show you how to create the sitemap with that plugin. Just go to plugins, add new plugin, and Simple Sitemap. Viewers, always remember the creator's name and logo of the site plugin. David Gear is the creator of Simple Sitemap. Like all in one SEO, just remember the creator and logo. Because if you install any random plugin, your website could crash. Activate. Just go to the settings, or you can skip this. Go to the page of sitemap. Edit the page. Like this. And if you click on the blue button, you can see the three options are available here for us. If you write sitemap and AIO, HTML SEO, simple sitemap and simple sitemap group. If you click on simple sitemap, just pages will be added here. And if you click on simple sitemap group, you can see all the pages, categories and posts will be added for you. This is a very beautiful interface for a sitemap. I will go with the group, publish it, or just save or preview it. This is the interface. This is our sitemap with the plugin Simple Sitemap. You can use only one plugin at a time, and you can use or create just one sitemap.xml or just one sitemap.html. Do not use random and multiple plugins, and do not create multiple sitemaps. Right, viewers? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Organically Marketing. And thanks for watching, viewers. We will meet in our next video. Till then, Assalamu alaikum. Bye.